This illustration deals with the optional calculations for additional loads in accordance with the existing type of installations, in accordance with 220.87. Now notice the service conductors in the illustration are listed as 400 kc mil THWN copper conductors. In accordance with table 310.16, they have a ampacity listing of 335 amps. Now the feeder circuit you see in the illustration has been calculated in accordance with 215.2A1A, and the total calculation is 15.1 kVA load to be added to the existing service. Now step one, we apply the demand in accordance now with 220.87, and the maximum demand that was given to us by the utility is 78.4 kVA. Now, step two, the 78.4 kVA times 125% is equal to 98 kVA. Step three, we're applying 230.42A1 for the service conductors, with the load being added to them, and 98 kVA plus 15.1 kVA is equal to 113.1 kVA. Step four now, we're applying the calculation. 400 kc mils, as previously stated. Each conductor is worth 335 amps each. Now 113.1 kVA times 1,000 equal 113,000 VA. 113,000 VA divided by 208 times the square root of 3, using 360 volt in accordance with 240.5A and B, we would come up with 314 amps. Now in comparison, the 314 amps is less than 335 amps, the ampacity of the 400 kc mil conductors. So the solution is this load of 15.1 can be added to the existing service in accordance with 220.87, and that's what figure 2-19 is illustrating.